My name is M.T. Hickman, and I'm the Program Coordinator for the Travel, Exposition, and Meeting Management Program at Richland College. Starting this fall, we are offering online courses in hospitality management.
And I am here at the wonderful campus of Richland College and their travel and tourism program. I'm here to share with you a little bit about a unique class that I'm going to be offering this fall. Introduction to Hospitality, TRVM 1331. It's an internet course that will teach you the ins and outs and exploration of the hospitality industry. I come from the hospitality industry. I'm a former manager in the industry. I have worked from everywhere from being a bellman to being a PM general manager of a 1,600-room hotel. And I'll tell you, I have had a wealth of experience, had a chance to see great parts of the world and meet great people, and just has been a great experience being in this particular program and industry. I'd love for you to be one of our students to learn about the opportunities, excuse me, I can't even talk, I'm so excited, the opportunities available to you here at Richland College in the Travel and Tourism Program. If you need more information, please visit the contact information on the web, and look forward to seeing you in class real soon.